Hi, welcome back to my Christmas series. Karina here, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And starting on December 1st, I'm publishing videos about Christmas, project shares, tutorials, hauls, giveaways. So I'm going to leave the link of my Christmas series playlist in the description box below. So today's project, it's a Christmas tag flip. So I am giving this tag flip to a friend and just want to share this project with you. I use Falala crepe paper collection, couple of Merry Days chipboards, and few things. So let's review. The tag flip has 1, 2, 3, 4 tags in one envelope and 2 little 3D bags. So on the first one, I use again last year's crepe paper Falala collection. So you guys can see here. And I used the chipboard from Crepe Paper Merry Days collection, ephemera from Merry Days. And I used these little sequins from Park Lane brand that is sold at Joann's Fabric. And I also glue like a pinky trim. And on the front, I just put this cute tassel. And here we go. So here is one of the 3D bags. What I did was, since the 3D bag was small, I cut one of the tags and stapled it on the back. And I'm holding here a couple of goodies that she will receive, and I put a tinsel sticker and all the twinkle lights. Then on the next tag, again I use Merry Days paper collection, Falala collection. This is from Merry Days collection, the chipboard and puffy stickers. And again the sequence from Park Lane brand. And this is from Snow and Cocoa, one of those sticky letters. And this is from a cut apart from the Falala collection. So as you can see, I'm making everything cohesive with the sequence. Yeah, you see on the first one, second one, things. This tag flip is very eclectic. Even though I'm using 2 collections, I'm using most of them the same color tones, but it's just very eclectic. And over here I glue some trim that I bought at Hobby Lobby. This is again from the Falala collection, Merry Days, chipboard from Merry Days, and the sequence from Park Lane. This is another 3D bag. I'm giving her some Merry Days ephemera, and this is also from Merry Days. This nice little clip, and this other ephemera that I'm not gluing it because I want her to use it. And then I created this sort of like an envelope pocket, and I am including some of the recollection stickers that I have to cut it so they can fit in this pocket. I use Merry Days ephemera. This is from Falala collection, and I punch some of these golden leaves. And my last one is from Falala, Merry Days, some trim, a doily, so we can pick up the tones of this pink color. The sequence from Park Lane collection. This is from a mini little cut apart from Falala and a chipboard from Merry Days. So as you can see, I was able to combine both Merry Days and Falala collections since the colors are almost the same tones, and to decorate the ring, I put some trim from Walmart, some fiber that I had it on my stash, a red and white striped ribbon, and some baker's twine from my stash. And I love this cute little, isn't this cute? I love it. This little mini tassel. So this is the tag flip for my pen pal. Again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.